All right, so I think we're at about like $6 right now. We got our parsley, lemon, carrots, mushrooms. I need some chicken and I need some rice. I think we're looking pretty good. So $16.48. Oh, let's see if we can stay under $18.97.
They're charging for you back. Hold
Oh
on.
no. Okay guys, as you saw from the title, I just finished my workout. I got $20 to spend. I'm gonna get a few ingredients and we're gonna make a delicious, quick, easy, humble meal. I get asked all the time, chef, what can I do for $20? I don't have a lot of money to spend. I'm a broke college student, or whatever the case may be. We're all going through something, so I totally understand. You don't need a lot of money to make a delicious meal. So I wanted to show you that today. So as always, join me and let's go. Okay guys, we're gonna head in the store right now. I'm gonna show you what we can get for $20. Got done. Thinking risotto with chicken and some vegetables, something simple. Thinking I want to grill some carrots. You can use the tops to make a gremolata. We'll mix it with our parsley, so we'll get some carrots. Thinking a little gremolata, simple, it's easy. We'll get a little parsley, one onion, smaller onion. We don't need a big onion because they're by the pound. All right, here we go. All right, we got one onion, so what about like $2 with that? So we're gonna grab one lemon. They're 99 cents each, so make sure you get a big one. All right guys, we'll get some mushrooms to go with our risotto. All right, so I think we're at about like $6 right now. We got our parsley, lemon, carrots, our mushrooms. I need some chicken and I need some rice. And I think we're looking pretty good. So $3.30. Get this guy right here. So we got our chicken, we got our protein. All right, garlic, 2 for $1. All we need is one. 50 cents. Perfect. All right guys, we're looking pretty good. We got most of our ingredients. I think all we need now is a little bit of arborio rice. Ooh, I found some cheaper. Arborio, $6.99. Good, how you doing? I'm recording a video to see if I can stay under $20 to make a meal. Just so you know. So you're gonna ring it up.
Got 16.
$16.48. Oh, let's see if we can stay under $18.97. Nice. No, she's not very nice. You're gonna be on my YouTube video saying that, by the way. 19.
Charging for you back. Hold on.
Oh no.
10 cents.
1947. They charged me for 1957. We made it, guys. So
Okay.
that's a $20 meal right there. Here's the proof right here. We spent $19.57. That's with the bag included. A little 10-cent charge. I hate those. Just to show you that we're spending under $20. Now let's go home and make the magic. All right, guys. So we're back at the house. As you can see, we have our ingredients. This is a meal that you can create for your significant other when you're broke or when you want to be a baller on a budget. Just a straightforward meal that's not going to break the bank. As always, let's get into it. We have our carrots here. A lot of people don't like to use these tops. These have so much flavor. If you see my sauces video, this is pretty similar to that, but this is going to be a gremolata. It's basically chopped parsley with some lemon zest and a little bit of garlic. Add some olive oil at the end. I'm going to add a little splash of vinegar for some acidity. I thought it would be nice just since we have the carrots, we bought them, right? We're trying to utilize the most that we can with our $20. I want to take these tops. We'll go ahead and rip them off. And then we'll go ahead and add these to our gremolata. And then these will peel. We're gonna go ahead and grill off our carrots in just a minute. I'll show you how to do that. I like to almost turn this into vinaigrette. So I like a little bit more olive oil. We have our beautiful gremolata ready to go. To the side. Now let's grill our carrots. So we'll go ahead and just peel all of our carrots. So to get these going, we're just gonna drizzle them with a little olive oil, some vinegar, salt and pepper, a little olive oil, a little splash of some vinegar. And we're almost making a vinaigrette in the pan that after we're done grilling them, we're gonna put them back in the pan and it's gonna soak up all that beautiful vinegar and olive oil. And you don't need to par cook these if you put them on the grill long enough. Plus I like a little bit of bite in my carrot. I don't like them completely mushy. Sometimes it's not desired. For a preparation like this, we really want to get some color on these carrots. We're gonna pop these back in our pan to really just soak up all that beautiful vinaigrette that we just made in the pan. Roll those around a little bit. Really, we'll go ahead and set these off to the side. We have our chicken here, and then we just want to debone this just to make it cook a little bit quicker. Scrape everything down. We'll go ahead and take the skins off these. All right, so we got our chicken here. Go ahead and do that to all 4 pieces. You can take your skin, you can just use the back of your knife and just scrape any of that sinew off. You wanna get 2 pieces of parchment paper, and we'll just lay out our chicken skin as flat as possible. We want to just take another piece of parchment, lay it right on top, really flatten it out. And I'll actually use just a wire rack just to keep them nice and flat. 350 till they're completely dried out, about 30 to 45 minutes, depending on your oven. So we'll just bake these off and then we can use this for a garnish. To start our risotto, we'll go ahead and take 8 ounces of cremini mushrooms and peel them. And we're gonna saute these in with our risotto, so you don't gotta get too fussy with it. Just a nice chop like that. Go ahead and set those off to the side for later. We have our garlic here. Go ahead and break that apart. 2 for the risotto. So we'll go ahead and chop our garlic, and then we'll use 1 onion as well. And we'll go ahead and pick some of our thyme. Also, another couple other pantry items that hopefully you would have in your house is either some olive oil or some butter. And then to finish our risotto, a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Let's fire up our risotto, and then we'll go ahead and go in with our mushrooms. So as you can see, we got a little bit of color on our mushrooms. We'll add in just another knob of butter. Get in with our garlic. These off, sweat them down for a couple minutes. All right, so next we want to go in with our 1 cup of arborio rice. If you have it, 1 bay leaf or 2 bay leaves would be nice in here. Let this rice, right now it's just gonna soak up all that flavor, the mushroom, the butter, the onions, the garlic. We're gonna go with about 1 cup of white wine. And then we're just gonna let this reduce down. This is gonna add a nice punch of acidity. We have our hot broth right here. We want to just slowly add in a couple ladles at a time. Rice starts to absorb all that liquid, then we can just add little by little. You don't want to add too much of this at once. Once you've started your risotto, go ahead and take your chicken, sear them off, and set them aside for later. We'll go ahead and take these off, and then when our risotto is just about ready, we'll pop these in the oven to cook them through. I want to just pop some of that beautiful GREMOLATA that we made just right on top. All right, we want to add 1 to 2 ladles to our risotto every couple minutes until our rice completely absorbs everything, about 22 minutes. We're about 15 minutes out. Pop your chicken in the oven until it's completely cooked. All right, our risotto's almost done. I want to just show you guys real quick how to do a beurre fondue, which is just 2 simple ingredients, water and butter. Add a little bit at the very end of our risotto just to make it a little bit more luscious. So we want to take about 2 tablespoons of water, and we want to just slowly whisk in our cold butter, tablespoon at a time. All right, so as you can see, our butter sauce is done. I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt. So we're at the very end stages. We want to just hit it with our chopped thyme. 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. This is what kind of brings it all together. So then we'll go ahead and hit it with a bunch of parm. Finish this off with our rich butter sauce here, GREMOLATA. All right, guys, we did it. Spent $20, made an amazing, delicious meal. Can't wait to try it. Let's give this a whirl. Well, everything works so well together. Like I said, this is just gonna be an easy, delicious meal. Well, for some of you, it'd be easy. So that's it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you next week for the next video. I can't wait to spend more time with you guys. I really appreciate you guys coming week after week. Take care of yourself. Get out there and make some risotto. Make your family some risotto. Enjoy yourselves. So good.